Imagine looking up at the night sky and wondering if, somewhere out there, another planet like Earth exists. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, questioning whether our world is unique or if there are other planets teeming with life. Today, the search for Earth 2.0 is one of the most exciting frontiers in science. Thanks to incredible advancements in technology and astronomy, scientists have discovered many planets beyond our solar system that share remarkable similarities with Earth. Some of these planets even show signs that life could exist there. The idea that we might not be alone in the universe is no longer just science fiction. It is becoming a scientific possibility. Earth, our home, is over 4.5 billion years old. Over this immense span of time, it has transformed from a molten ball of rock into the vibrant blue planet we know today. Life on Earth has evolved from simple single-celled organisms to the complex web of plants, animals, and humans that now inhabit every corner of the globe. For a long time, Earth was thought to be unique, a rare oasis in the vast emptiness of space. Its perfect balance of water, atmosphere, and temperature seemed almost too good to be true. But as our understanding of the universe has grown, so has our curiosity about what else might be out there. The quest to find planets beyond our solar system, known as exoplanets, began in earnest in the late 20th century, with the launch of powerful telescopes like the Kepler Space Telescope and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. Astronomers have been able to scan distant stars for the telltale signs of orbiting planets. By observing tiny dips in a star's brightness, scientists can detect the presence of a planet passing in front of it. This method, known as the transit method, has led to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets. Some of these worlds are gas giants like Jupiter, while others are rocky planets similar in size and composition to Earth. The sheer number of exoplanets discovered has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Among the thousands of exoplanets found, a select few stand out as particularly intriguing. These are the so-called Earth-like planets, worlds that are similar in size, mass, and temperature to our own. Many of these planets orbit within the habitable zone of their stars, sometimes called the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. Some of the most famous discoveries include Kepler 186f, a planet about 500 light-years away, and Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the closest star to our solar system. These planets have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. They offer the tantalizing possibility that life, as we know it, could exist elsewhere in the universe. But how do scientists determine if a distant planet truly harbors life? The answer lies in the search for biosignatures, chemical signs that indicate the presence of living organisms. By analyzing the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere, astronomers can detect gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. On Earth, these gases are produced by plants, animals, and microbes, so their presence on another planet could suggest similar biological activity. In recent years, scientists have found planets with atmospheres that contain these intriguing gases. While this does not prove that life exists there, it is a strong hint that we may be on the right track. The discovery of even the simplest life forms on another planet would be one of the most profound scientific breakthroughs in history. Not every planet is suitable for life. For a world to be considered potentially habitable, it must meet several key criteria. First, it needs to have a stable source of energy, usually from its star, to maintain temperatures that allow liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, serving as a solvent for chemical reactions and a medium for biological processes. Second, the planet must have an atmosphere thick enough to protect it from harmful radiation and to help regulate temperature. Third, it should have the right chemical ingredients. Elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Scientists use these criteria to narrow down the list of promising exoplanets. The more we learn about these distant worlds, the more we realize that the conditions for life might not be as rare as once thought. The discovery of life on another planet would have far-reaching implications for science, philosophy, and even religion. It would force us to rethink our place in the universe and challenge the idea that Earth is the only cradle of life. If life can arise on other planets, it might be common throughout the cosmos. This realization could inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to reach for the stars. It could also lead to new technologies and ways of understanding our own planet. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about answering a scientific question. It is about expanding the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. As technology continues to advance, the search for Earth 2.0 will only accelerate. New telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, are already providing unprecedented views of distant planets and their atmospheres. With each discovery, we come closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The journey is just beginning and the possibilities are endless.